Hello, this is Erixis82. I'm doing a follow-up on Apple, and if you didn't see my first video, I did it about a month ago. I'm going to post a link in the charts for it. I think it played out pretty much like we said. I didn't give you guys a real specific trade that I was looking at, and I'm going to do that today. So if you would like to stay on top of that, go ahead and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. And I'm going to move right into what we're doing. This is kind of what I had worked up on the last video. You can go to that to see more of how we got some of these levels. What we have pre-market after a long weekend is always tricky and important. But it looks like we have kind of held this support level in these support and resistance zones. We're holding above close for the weekend, for the long weekend. So I really like what we've got here. I'm going to go ahead and throw out the details right now, and I'm going to show you how I get them. I'm looking for a long as long as we open above 130, and I would be closing out if we get under 129 for any significant period of time. And into 128.50 or below, it's an instant out. So always looking at my pitchforks. I've got them loaded up here from the last video, but you can see I use major pivots, original pitchforks for the most part. The important thing to me is that this OG pitchfork is being violated, seems to be really fighting the outer edge and doesn't want to go down. We've also hit the median on this one. I think we're in for a little relief rally. I typically trade in the daily time frame. I'll open a trade at market open, and I'm usually out by lunchtime. End of the day at the latest. I do not like to hold anything overnight. I like to trade options. So from an option perspective, we're looking at 130, and I think we could see a $3-4 rally. So I'd be looking at like a 132, 133 strike with a Friday expiration. Going down a little further to the 1 hour. I've filled in a few more pitchforks here. Some of these are shifts because they don't fit quite as well as OGs. Yeah, see, it's totally losing this original pitchfork, so that's not super bearish right now. Breaking through 130.70 is going to be a good sign for continuation. It may reach up to 135 today. It might take a few days to get there, but that would really be where I was out as a take profit. 137, or the top of this pitchfork here would be the other point. From an Elliott wave perspective, which I did touch on, I think we were in some kind of expanding diagonal or multiple zigzag correction, and it does not look complete to me for a couple reasons. If we're in a zigzag, this is the A wave. Well, we haven't reached the 1-to-1 yet, so I do think this is a temporary relief rally. And also the C wave of the C subwave, actually, sorry, WXY for multi-zigzag, sorry. It hasn't reached a 1-to-1 or even a 6.18, which 6.18 and 1-to-1 look a little closer there. So ultimately our downside I think is around 121. So this is definitely not something I'm committed hardcore to. If it goes against me, I will be cutting this quickly. Hope this is useful to you. If you guys like this, it is an actual actionable trade today, and I'm going to be looking to take it. Hope you guys can catch something, and let me know how it goes. This is coming out pre-market, so I'm going to try that out and see how it works. If you like it, please give me a sub. We definitely appreciate it. Helps you stay on top of this content. Have a good day.